Hello friends, hope you guys are doing great. Now you have to cut this glass into this specific direction. After it, you have to take another glass and put it inside this. Your flowers are ready. Take a thick thread like this. After that, you have to big hole inside it, and after this you have to wrap it around the balloon. After wrapping it around the balloon, you have got this nutty ball, and now you have to place these strips inside it. We are going to make this lamp with this help. Take a balloon and cut it. After cutting it, you have to place it along with it. After this, you have to make a hole and take few cardboards. Place some glue in it, and well, what is being made? Yes, this is done. You can see how perfectly it works. You have to take a paper like this, and after taking this sheet, you have to see that how we are going to make a paper sunflower with this yellow sheet. Kindly note the movement of these fingers, and then after doing all these steps, you can see that what we have made. Yes, a very good floral pattern or a sunflower is being made. Take another sheet and let's make a paper toy along with it. First you have to make this and then see that how these chains are to be added into this specific position like this. After making them into this, you have to roll a thick strip and see this paper toy is ready. Take a sheet like this, and after taking this sheet, you have to fold them into a specific direction like this. Kindly note the movement of this folding, and then this is ready. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.